So today is January 7th. We are nice and dry. And so I'm looking at my Jujube tree. This is Autumn Beauty. And most people ask, how do you prune a Jujube tree? Well, it's pretty simple if you keep it this way. The Jujube tree, they grow the fruiting branch will be this. You see that? It fell off. This, you can prune it back. And last spring, the growth was from here to here in one spring and summer. And this is a potted tree. It's in a 3-gallon pot. So you can see the new growth doesn't have any thorns. These is from last year. You can see it's thorning this. The baby thorns growing, but the wood is quite smooth in comparison. These will just fall off. So you just let nature does this thing. Once snow hit and everything, it will just fall down on its own. So what you do is you would prune it back. When it gets so lengthy, it just, I don't know, it pokes you to death. So for me, I like to prune it back. I see like this branch is extremely long. I'll prune it back about here. They don't mind heavy pruning at all. So, and obviously it's like a Christmas tree, right? You would want it to be balanced in a sense. The lower branch will be longer than the top branch. So, like a Christmas tree, okay? So, you don't want it all even. It's not a ladder. Let me see. See how long that is? Yeah, I don't like it. There you go. So with a quick pruning, it looks a little presentable. I don't like leggy type of branches. It just annoys me. But I have several of these to do, so I can't make the video too in detail. And plus my tree is small, this one for example. There's much I can show you. When the tree is more mature, there are more that I can demonstrate. And as you can see, this Jujube is a grafted one. So with a grafted Jujube, it tends to grow a lot of suckers. And with these suckers, people use it to graft a better variety. So if you're talking about a Jujube seedling, it's a wild one. I mean, it's probably not going to taste as good as something with a name. And even in our climate in the Pacific Northwest where I live, certain ones will do better. And we're not like California. We can't grow everything that we want. So we have to be selective, do our research. And so hopefully this summer I have some more new varieties to review and compare. I hope you enjoy this quick pruning video. See you next time.